a Sesame Street movie followed that bird? Who remembers watching it 38 years ago back in 85? The film was filmed on location in Ontario, Canada, and at Toronto International Studios. Now, Chine Space Film Studios in 84, the street set rebuilt to make it look more realistic than in the television series, was expanded film to include a music store, a fire station, an auto body shop, a family clinic, a bakery, a bookstore, and a grocery store, according to Noel McNeil. After filming the footage of Big Bird on the farm with Ruthie and Floyd, the filmmakers discovered that the film was badly scratched and unusable. The actors, crew, and performers had to return to the same locations months later in winter, whereupon many of the green leaves in the film are spray painted, and after each take, the kids would run to put their coats on early in production. The crew noticed that Oscar's trash can looked too new, so they banged it up and dirtied it to match the one in the TV series. While filming Bert and Ernie's Upside Down World Song, Jim Henson and Frank Oz were actually in an upside down biplane 18 feet from the ground. That was a brief production history.